now after finishing the plan, we need to start with the section. As you can see, they already gave us a section to follow, so you can follow the same heights and everything, but you need to follow the line that they gave you for the section. So let's say that our section line is, for example, from here to here and going up. So the direction of your section is up. Now what you need to do is, first of all, start with the command ray. Ray will give you a line with a start point but no end point. So I'll start from the beginning and the end of each wall on the section line. So this is the first line. Another ray from here down. You can just press enter to activate the last command. So we don't have any walls here. We can come to this wall here, click, go down, click again and click down. Now we have the start point and the end point. If you have any walls in the middle, you can just bring them down and they will be like this. I'll just copy this one so we can see it clearly. I'll just place it here. So now we have this first point and the end point of our section. What we need to do now is have a line for each of these heights. So the first line here is the ground line. So we will start with a line anywhere you want. And then start making offset with these dimensions here. So O, enter for offset. Then the first distance is 450. Select the line, click up. Then select the second line, move your mouse up and type 3000 and then press enter. Select the line again, go up, type 200, then select the last line, go up and type 800 and enter. Now we have all these heights here. What we need to do is to trim the extra lines. So TR, enter for trim. Select these lines, all of them, enter, then delete the upper part, the lower part, and the extra parts on the side. Now you have the base for your section. As you can see here, the walls stops at 450 and inside the 200 part you don't have any lines. So I will just delete this line here and this line. The same inside the slab here and here. If you have any walls in the middle, as you can see, they don't go up, so you don't need to continue up. Then press on enter. Of course, as we said, we need everything to be in the correct layer, so I'll just use match properties to do that. We have a hatch, a solid hatch, so H, enter, select solid and put it here and here. It will be better for you to select the layer before. If you didn't select the layer before, you can just select the hatch, go to home, and then change the layer to hatch layer. Before you add the hatch for the walls, you need to continue with or to check if you have any windows or doors on these walls. So in this wall we have a window. In this wall we don't have anything, so we only need to add this window and this wall. As you can see, the height is 500 above the floor slab and then 1500 for the window. So we will just create a line or offset 500 for this line up and then offset 1500 for the second line up. Now we have the beginning and the end. You can select trim, TR, enter, select those lines, enter, and delete this part. Now we have the beginning and the end. We need to create the details in the middle. These details are in section, which means we will follow the exact dimensions that we had in the top view. So offset 50 for this line, down, and then select this line, go up. Then we have a line from the middle for the glass, offset 20 once on each side. When you are done, you can select all these lines and transfer them to doors and windows layer. Now we are done with the section line. We need to go above the section line. So here on this line we are done. Of course we will not add this door to the section because the door is here. This is just an indication for the direction, how the door will be opened. But the door itself will be here under the section line, so we will not cut through it. Now when you see up, we have this window here. The vertical parts will not appear because we've already covered them here. So we have this window, and then we have this line and two other windows. So I will start with array for this part, down. So this is the wall. The wall is in elevation, not in section, so it will stop here and here. So select these lines, type tr, enter for trim, remove the upper part and the lower part. Now this is the inside wall, which is behind the section line. For the windows, ray from here going down, again the same here. We need the beginning and the end, but we already have the beginning, so no need for it. Again, this is the beginning, RAY for ray, enter, click, go down, click again here, going down, again for this side, and we have the other end. So now we have the start and end for each window. Vertically, horizontally, we know that they start with this line here, so I'll just have it on this line, and then the other line from here to the end. Now we only need to draw the details, so it will be easier for me to start with a rectangle. I'll just change the layer here to doors and windows so it will be clear. So REC, enter for rectangle. The window starts from here to this part. Then offset 50 for this rectangle inside. Line from the middle here, and then offset 50 again from here and here. Trim, TR, enter, enter for these two lines and these two lines, and then extend, EX, enter, enter for this line to go up and this line to go down. Now you can either repeat the same thing here, all these steps for all the other windows, or you can just select them from left to right, so you don't select the walls with them. Copy, CO, enter, select a point, and then select the other point here, here, and here. Now you have all the windows. You can delete all the extra lines, so delete for these two lines, and this one for the wall, so we will not delete it, just change the layer by using match property for this one here. Then hatch, and add a hatch here, 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 and here. And now instead of changing the layer, the pattern, and the scale, you can just use MA for match properties. Select the hatch that you already done in the plan, and then select this one, so it will be the same. You don't need to repeat it again. Now we are done with the section. In the next video we will start working on the 3D.